Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of this Road Tripper notebook from the summer collection from Archer and Olive. It's called Retro Road Trip, and the box is really cute. I love the gold foil accents on it, really cute. So we're actually already opened it because I couldn't wait till the video. So I love the gold Volkswagen on the front. And when I was younger, I used to play the punch buggy game with my family, so I had to have this notebook. It's an A5, and it's a linen cover. Really pretty mint green color. Here's the back. And, oops. This one also has some beautiful gold foil accents inside, and it has 192 pages, and it's 160 GSM doctored paper. And then you have your traditional A&O bookmarks with the logo. You get 2 bookmarks. And then you get a pocket in the back to put stickers or whatever you want. And here's also a pen loop, and then the band to close it. And also I'm an affiliate with Archer and Olive, so you can use my code DanielleFL10 at checkout for 10% off your purchase. And when my link and code is used, I'll earn a small commission. And I'm also hoping to get more from the summer collection. So if I do, I'll definitely try to post a video of an unboxing. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. Peace.